on Goal TV, North America's first. Sergio Sanchez, the backline, Hurtado, Ramon Martinez, Nene Coro, Luis Garcia, and Tamudo. And Xavi, Busquets holding for Pep Guardiola, and Iniesta out on the flank.
Payback time.
Dani Alves twisting the ball into the box. Caught a deflection.
60 words. There's the handball from the cross into the box by Dani Alves.
Johnson makes the run. It's Henry at the controls. And now Messi through ball. Iniesta had made the run. Iniesta across looking for Henry.
Football there by Barcelona. Look out.
Darting his way through the competition to Henry. Touch.
Chanel setting him up. Here he goes, tiptoeing through the tulips. Beautiful turn, quick. Is jumping Jack Flass. Here's the earlier one. Thierry Henry wanted it. He didn't come to him initially.
Healed on. Beautifully done.
Got options.
Goes to shoot. Clanging off the crossbar.
Xavi blazes this one at Kameni. Totally beats them all ends up. It's danger when he sees it. Lovely little touch there to lead him. Steadies it. Rifles it. Beautiful by Xavi. Sees the target. He's only got one thing in his mind. The slip ball.
Flighted over the head of Abidal. Plucked back across. Valdez keeps it in play. Goal! 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 Espanyol!
A beautiful crossfield ball to Tamudo at the back. Beautiful touch to control across the box. Is this a foul? Think it is, Kelly. Think the player gets pushed into Victor Valdez. Right here, he's backing into Victor. And maybe, just maybe, the referee should have called that one.
Here we go. Oh, I put the arm up. The arm stays down. I don't think it's a foul, but ball goes through the wall, but Xavi ahead for Messi. In a foot race with Chica, and he gets around him.
Brilliant.
Two-footed challenge. Misses. Messi for Henry over his head. It is indirect. He lays it off.
To Dani. He steps in. Does it take a deflection? No. Chica just doing enough. Look out.
Alves slipped in. There it is. Kameni keeps it out of the net. Henry stoned on the goal line by a pair of...
It's as if it's over the lane. Lionel Messi goes for the slot. Kameni gets it. Comes back. Alves.
Iniesta has it and faces the 18. Slips the ball into the box. Xavi with the top.
Borja to lift his head and find his target. Beautifully found on the edge of the box. But just cannot get the right direction here. They are hammering at Kameni's door, but they cannot blow the house in.
Card checks on Busquets. Was fine. And for his part in the collision, Nene is shown a yellow card. It's his second. If that's Nene, he's gone. Xavi spots Gu Johnson. No mystery. It's Xavi towards goal. Iniesta slipping the ball in.
Played.
Henry gets it back to Iniesta. Now for Messi. Steers it wide.
For him. Iniesta darting in. Sees a square pass.
The 20-year-old holding midfielder.
Nice pass.
Eyeing the run by Dani Alves.
Good ball.
Swept in by Alves. Goes through Xavi. Now on to Messi. Messi. Alves trails the play, as does Xavi. Xavi to Henry with the bike and ensnare. Alves looking for his first goal in a Barcelona shirt, not there. Messi picking the pocket. Has it on for Henry.
Oh, nicely.
And gets it back over now for Eto. Oh, saved by Kameni.
Brilliant. Nice lead by Thierry Henry. It's dummied over the top. It's rifled.
Marked by two defenders.
Clever.
With the heel. Keita, Henry. Time for an extra touch.
And again.
Chest it down for Messi. No angle. Plays it across.
Gotta be.
Second chance. Stone on the line. Again. And enough.
Big drama to come, man.
bobbled a bit by Kameni. The ball still loose to the top of the 6. And he's on it. Messi releases the shot.
Parakeet's doing enough. Here comes another surge.
Falling to Henry. First touch gets away from him. Recovers. Thierry Henry ties the score.
Big slice of lady luck. It's a little bit of snap, crackle, pop. Here's the lead ball. There's the touch coming. He gets it, and it comes off the defender, Harkey, and it falls beautifully and very luckily for the Frenchman. It's a great run. It's nicely controlled. Kameni does everything he can. He goes to clear it, and it comes off Harkey for heartbreak. Xavi seals this one, sends it beautifully on its way, but
turns back the other way.
Slip
through into Dani Alves, looking for Eto'o. Over the wall, on target, handled.
Eta.
Henry is through the wall, but wide.
Able to even do that tonight. Good header.
Headed down and into the arms of quality turd. Nice ball. Poked ahead.
Oh, good run.
Henry's making the run to the outside. He's through to Eto'o. Pulled down from behind. With 30 seconds to play, it's a penalty.
Player, the final touch. Does he play the ball here? Oh no, he's wiped him out. It's the penalty box area. He comes right through the back of Samuel Eto'o, and he absolutely cleans.
Messi to win it. Yes! Barcelona, last gasp effort, steal the derby from Espanyol.
The cruelest of games, in the cruelest of times, in the Catalan derby. I wouldn't be like to be walking home from this stadium with a Barcelona shirt on. But there will be plenty of the Lower Grana faithful